Okay, well, all right, if we want to play, if we want to do that, if we want to play this game, sure. Let's make a game out of it. All right. Yeah. So on the tours, or if we're checking mics at a play or anything, really, we this is what sound check looks like at a play or at any of the tours. Everyone's sort of sitting on steps like this until their number gets called, and it's usually in order of appearance. Everyone's not paying attention to anyone else, and then they'll go, okay, mic number 1, Joey Richter.
Oh.
Okay, is your mic on?
Good, is that good? Cool, thanks.
All right, number 2 is Joe Walker.
Joe.
That's my turn. And then I would always do Batman.
It's always like pieces of songs, so keep going.
I bet you're the one. And I'd say, no, keep going. And I go, wait, how's that Batman one go? And actually, let's step out of the scene. I would always do this because I could never remember a song. Oh yeah, wait, what's the? I'm falling apart. And they go, all right, next.
And then I would go or something. We'd never do. I would never do songs from the show. I would always go. I wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend. Is it good out there? You could cut ties with all the lies that you've been living in. And if you do not want to see me again, I would understand.
Okay, you're good. Number 7.
And I
No. Jamie would keep going, even after. She wouldn't wait for them to. She would go, is that good? And then she wouldn't wait for them to say, yeah. She would just go, is that good? And I don't know, I can't think of anything else. And the guys would go, that's good, I'm saying that. She would keep going.
Yeah, I remember for this, I would go, can I get my note? Can I get that first note?
Yeah.
No,
Just
okay.
a sound
For
check.
there will... Can I have the first note? For there will always be guys like Potter. I basically asked for